Hello everyone. From today, we are going to start card repertories. Card repertory is a device to facilitate finding out the simillimum from a group of medicines using printed cards which contains a rubric and a group of medicines. So, card repertories have several cards with rubrics written on the top with group of medicines below. In card repertory, the rubrics, like if this is a card repertory, the rubrics are written on the top and the medicines are written below. For indicating the marks and grades of medicine, different size of punches have been used. Punches are the holes which are used in card repertories. The first card repertory came in the year 1892 when Guernsey prepared slips or Burning Hussain repertory. Only general rubrics found a place in card repertories. Now there are two important card repertories. The first one is Kishore's card repertory. It was published by Dr. Jugal Kishore. It was based on Kent repertory. First edition came in the year 1959. Total number of cards in this repertory was 3497 and total number of remedies were 579. Now the second edition came in the year 1967. Total number of cards in second edition were 9063 and total number of remedies 690. Third edition came in the year 1985 with total number of cards 19,192 and total number of remedies 963. Typography. In first edition, bold, italic and Roman were used as round hole. In second edition, single grade were represented as rectangle holes. So, this repertory was an attempt to substitute both Burning Hussain and Kent's repertory. Now the structure of this repertory, it has 80 vertical columns of number from left to right. From top to bottom, 0 to 9 under each column. Every card has a rubric written on the top and with the name of the chapter. Now, the second important card repertory was Sharma's card repertory. It was published in the year 1984. Total number of remedies 400. Total number of rubrics were 3000. It was exclusively based on Kent's final general repertory. All the rubrics have been put alphabetically in this. In order to compare selected remedy, chapter on relationship of remedies was added. Glossary is given at the end for difficult terminologies. Each remedy code number starts from 0. There are total 40 columns in this card repertory and each column has 0 to 9 numbers. So, in the above, that is Kishore's repertory, there were 80 columns. But here, there are 40 columns. The book has two parts, that is first is book part and second is the card part. Rubrics, for example, 108. So the first two numbers are always column number and the last number is the punch number. So rubric number 0196 means angina pectoris. So this were about our card repertory.